Oh, too low. Why is it so bright? Dang. Okay. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. Oh my gosh, do I have stuff all over my shirt? Probably. I've been sewing this morning and I had threads. I still do have one stuck to me. Let me show you what I made. If you've been around for a little while, you know that I sew dresses for this doll that I've had since I was a little girl. And I got 3 new patterns for her over the last probably 2 months off Etsy. They're vintage ones from the 60s and the 70s, and I made the slip that goes with one of the dresses she's getting soon. I'm sorry, but is that not the cutest thing in the world? I'm dying. So cute. It really wasn't nearly as hard as it looks either. I've been messing around, fooling around. Today in the house, I did a ton of braiding, listing. John and I dyed a whole bunch of Dorset horn. So like for socks, so if you want to spin socks, there's a bunch of new stuff in the shop that's perfect for that. Romney is also very good, and I got a lot of Romney. I did a whole big batch of Romney, whole big batch of Dorset horn. So I've been doing that, and I also did more spinning on the spindle Tina sent me. I always say I'm really not a spindle spinner, like I'm not that great at it, but you guys, I am fine at it. It's fine, and it spins nicely, and I really like it. So I think I'm gonna keep going. Crazy, right? Let's see, what else? Oh yeah. This morning I got up and it said my Paradise Fibers packages were out for delivery. Boom. Lightning bolts. I hope this isn't a Scandival reference, because don't get me started, okay? I love these colors together, the like kind of coral, orangey coral, and the aqua together. Get out, I love it. If you're new, you might wonder why I have 2. Every month they send me one to open on my channel to show all of you. Then I buy one to give away to somebody who leaves a comment on like the coming month's video. Stick around till the end if you want to see who won the last month's package, which is this one. I will link the last month's unboxing if you want to see what's in here. So if you want to win one of these next month, all you have to do is leave a comment on a video, starting with this one, going all the way until the next one comes up. Let's open these. I can't wait to see what's in here. I did not see a spoiler. I am gonna turn you so you can see what we're doing. I also have my Into the World, my last Into the World subscription came. Let me know if you guys have interest in me unboxing that here. I never have, or I haven't for a really long time anyway. But I guess if you want to see it, I'll start doing it here. I always have a bunch of stuff on my table. Let me move it. All right, let's get into it. I'm ready. I may just go ahead and start spinning this during the tour. You never know. You never know with me for sure. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. All right, here's my bag contents. Okay. It says the theme this month is Annunciation. Look at this angel. I am kind of in love. Oh my gosh. Here's a little info on this. So if you don't know, the Annunciation is a painting by Fra Angelico, and it's in, so let's see, they must have told us, it's in the convent of San Marco in Florence, and I'm paraphrasing a bit so you could, there's more info here, but it also says it marks the transition from the Gothic style to the Renaissance. Art in general went from flat arrangements of figures without depth to fuller images with a sense of perspective. So this is a painting of the angel coming to visit Mary and telling her like, hey, guess what? Big news. You're gonna be a kind of a big deal. That's what this painting depicts. And it also, they're saying that they noticed about her wings. Look how cool that is. It's totally different, I think, than any other depiction of angel wings that I've ever seen. in art before. I love this. I love this art thing. They have done this before, used a piece of art as inspiration, and I think it's really cool. I love that stuff. I don't know a ton, not trying to say I do, but it's fascinating to me. So let's open this because I am like really excited. This says 4 ounces of angel wings, 75% red Shetland wool, and 25% shimmering gold mulberry silk. Come on. This is gonna be gorgeous. What the heck? Look at that. I'm afraid you're not even gonna get the real color. It's so pretty, and the gold is like a little bit more warm gold. Oh gosh, that is insane. Okay, and it's quite soft. Shetland can vary a lot, but it feels pretty soft. Okay. Okay, this one is called Mary's Robe. It is the same blend, but it's white Erie silk. So 75%, 25. Look at that. Hang on. I promise I'd get you in focus. Look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. I am so into the silk blends right now. I did a whole bunch of spinning and dyeing them lately. I just love this. And together they're pretty. I mean, I can't say, oh, I'm definitely going to use these together, but they are very pretty together. Just those really jewel toned, just so pretty. Okay. All right, I'm quite taken. Let's put it that way. All right, so let's see what's in our Notions bag this month. There is a Annunciation sticker, so she's got the same type of wings. That's really cool. I just want to look a little bit more at these wings. One Stash Tea Sachet Jasmine Blossom. I mean, they were in the garden, so kind of makes sense, right? And let's see. Oh, a cedar acorn. So, you know, moths don't like cedar. Oh, it smells. I used to work for a place that made log homes out of cedar, so that smell really takes me back. So you can use this to ward moths off, and it's adorable. If your acorn ever stops smelling like cedar, all you have to do is like sand it just a little bit and it'll kind of renew it. So that's really cool. And then there's a stitch marker in here. Okay. Oh, look at the stitch marker. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for me since I'm such an angel. Come on, come into focus. There we go. Pretty. That's really pretty. I love it. It also says that Fiber Club members get 20% off Malabrigo Mora with a code until the 5th of August. So that's like a little extra something you get with your membership. They showcased a pattern this month. It is the Rain Shadow by Sylvia Harding. Oh my gosh, Trish. How are you doing? Sorry, Sylvia. Let me show you the scarf. So this is the scarf. And it says it's not only, oh, it's still on needle, so it's not done. It's not only gorgeous, it's very fun knit. Pattern has clear instructions and the repeats are easy to memorize. I love that. The beaded lace sections add a fun bit of sparkle. Also, I love that. The white, it looks like, is the Malabrigo Mora for the solid contrast yarn. And that's why they chose it to discount. So really, really kind of a cool one this month. You know, we get a little bit of like art education in our package this way. It's kind of fun. Thanks, Paradise. I love this one. What is it, 4 ounces of each? So we got 8 ounces. I gotta look. Yes, yes, there's 8 ounces of fiber in the package this month. Really, really nice, very generous. I'm looking forward to getting into these. Just looking at how they're gonna spin is like, we better go pick a winner. Let's go. First, I will figure out how many videos since we unboxed. Let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 videos. Okay, the first one will actually be the video where I unboxed last. So we grabbed the link to that. Okay, every month they change this and I'm always like, what? Okay, replies yes, we do not filter. We don't exclude anybody. Don't add any extra. Okay. And then we hit start. Stevie G and Marino, you win. So all you have to do is send me an email at FiberLoveDiary@gmail.com with your snail mail address and I will get it out in the mail to you. I usually do it the next day. Occasionally it goes 2 business days. But you will get it really quick. So thanks so much. Congratulations. And I hope you have a great week. Thanks. I love you. Bye.